Hey everybody, welcome back to yet another video. And this one is about the wireless charging on the LG Wing. So unlike most smartphones in 30k budget, the LG Wing does support fast wired charging and even wireless charging too. And I tested out the charging adapters in one of the older videos and told you about the best charger that you can buy for this device. That is also safe, unlike some cheaper options that you may find in the market. And here is a card to that video just in case you want to check it out. Before moving further, a tap on that subscribe button will really help the channel out. So the fast charging maxes out at 25 watts with a quick charge 4 plus adapter, and the wireless charging has a maximum wattage of 12 watts, which is actually quite slow, but it is usable in case you sit on your desk whole day or you plug in your device overnight. So I tested out a couple of wireless chargers and went with the best available options that I could see. First one is this 5 watt wireless charger, and I know that is really slow, but I purchased it for a reason and I will come to that in a bit. The second one is from Razer, and this one has 15 watts max support with a quick charge 3 adapter. And in case you purchase the Xiaomi 27 watt charger as I told you in the last video, you don't need any other adapter as that supports quick charge 3 already. Now I purchased this lower 5 watt one because if you are someone who plugs in the device overnight, this will be a better pick for you. So I tested out both the 5 watt one, and that easily takes 5 to 6 hours to fully charge. And that has two main advantages. First, there is no heat up, and secondly, the time is too much that you can just put your device on charging and sleep peacefully. So this one is practical only if you want a charger that can be used for overnight charging. And don't buy this charger in case you want the fastest output. Now the second one that I have is from Razer, and this one supports maximum 15 watts for LG phones as well. And that is why I went ahead with this one. So doing a quick unboxing now, and the MRP on box is around 2500 and you can buy it for around 1600 to 1700 from Amazon or Flipkart. And you can find the link to buy this charger in the description area itself. So make sure you use that. Now we get a user manual in the box, a quick charge compatible cable, and next we have a charging stand itself. So a good thing about this one is that it can act as a mobile stand to watch videos while charging, and you can do most of the things that you normally do, as it has two coils instead of one that we had with the above charger. So because of those two coils, it can charge quickly without issues, and I did put it to test. The LG Wing did show that the device is charging quickly, and I used the quick charge 3 adapter with it as told above. So the charging time shown is around 3 hours or so, and it can vary as per the conditions, temperature, and can even slow down if you use your device while charging. So keep all that in mind. Now the device charged from 5 to 13%, that is around 8% in 15 minutes. Which is not comparable to the wired charging speed with the same adapter, but I would definitely take it over the 5 watt one or even a 10 watt wireless charging pad. I even tried charging this device after shutting it down, and the speed did increase for like initial 20% or so. So if you need a quick top up, you can just turn off the device and charge. Also with this charger, you can charge the device vertically or horizontally, and the direction does not matter, which is really handy as the device even charges up when the swivel screen is on. So overall, it takes around 3 to 3.5 hours, which is definitely better if not the fastest. And if you want a good wireless charger, you can definitely consider this option. Also, this one comes with 24 months of warranty, which is really good at this price. Anyways, all the links are in the description area itself, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that thumbs up button. So that's it, and I'll be sharing some more good content on this channel really soon. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.